विक्की कौशल चाह रहा है, बाकी सब बोर हो रहा है. तौबा तौबा.
Before the movie release, I know that Toba Toba song is really good, and I didn't know that that is the only good part in the movie. But yeah, Vicky Kaushal performance was really good.
Hello and welcome to India Today. So South. I am Sanjay Ponappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya.
And we have with us the quick review for the film Bad News. So,
Yes.
quick review says we get out of the theater, and as soon as we finish watching the film, we speak our minds out and bring that fresh opinion that we carry from the theater as soon as we watch the film.
Yes.
So, what did you think?
It's a mixed bag, I must say. I don't think people will enjoy this movie on OTT. Answering, it's a theater movie for sure because the jokes, if they land, it's in the auditorium, not definitely at your home screens. There are some jokes that work, some jokes didn't work. The story also, it's half-assedly executed. Some are open ends which don't make sense. But it's a fun movie. But Vicky Kaushal, if you are, if you like Vicky Kaushal and his performance, oh boy, he will definitely satisfy you throughout. तृप्ति दिमरी जानम तो जा रहा था जैसे मूवी जा रहा था. Nothing interesting. Production values was good. Costume department did a good job. Editing was good. It was fun. Some jokes worked, but most of them. And but Dharma, bro, क्या इंसेप्शन चल रहा है क्या? खुद के जोक्स पे खुद के कॉलबैक्स पे खुद के कॉलबैक्स पे खुद के कॉलबैक्स. It's too much. Not happening, bro.
Okay. So, for me, the film worked in most places, but not in all of them. I must say, I was bored for a while, and
Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. We had to switch the location as usual.
okay, so for me, I like the film in parts and not in all of it because I was bored a little as well. I must say, like I said in the intro, Vicky Kaushal was the highlight of the film through and through. It is his character that drives the story ahead, that brings all the highs and lows in the film. Whatever conflict is happening is because of him. Whatever resolution is happening is because of him. It felt like it was a film written for him.
Yeah.
In contrast to the first film where the dynamic was, how the couple of Akshay Kumar and Kareena Kapoor change over time when they come in contact with Diljit Dosanjh and Kiara.
Yeah.
And at the end also, Kiara played the big role. Diljit is missing, and that is the point where Akshay has to
Yeah.
come in. The whole dynamic was written in such a way that neither of the two couples were, like the second couple.
Yeah.
They were all the leads in the film. But in this, it is very evident that it is a Vicky Kaushal
Definitely.
with Tripti Dimri
Yeah.
film, and Amy Burke is like just the second fiddle who was, बस थोड़े देर के लिए आ गया तो फिल्म में था. If you know what I mean.
If we are talking about that Amy character, then what about Ananya Pandey? Like धर्मा पिक्चर है उसको तो होना ही है कुछ भी.
अब कुछ तो चाहिए था
नहीं
for the
लेकिन one thing
opening.
is, the character could have been much better looking at the scope. And Vicky Kaushal is killing it on the screen. He's eating away the scene. So we were expecting that second side also, which should be strong, so that there'll be a balance. That is the whole part. But most of the Vicky Kaushal scenes actually land. So it's fun to watch in theaters. If you go with your family, just sit. Some jokes don't land, but majority of it is
Especially
fun.
if you're a Vicky Kaushal fan, you will enjoy this film
Yeah.
for sure because again, he is the star of the film. And if you're a sucker for family drama, a little bit of comedy and all of this, you will enjoy this film. It's
Yeah.
not like you will not enjoy this film.
Yeah.
So definitely do give it a try, but that is what I'm saying. It could
It's a
have been
film
much better.
which is fun, 50%, with a scope of being more funny, is
Yeah,
what
yeah.
I will say of Bad News. And again, I don't know what Ananya Pandey is doing. You let us know in the comments below.
Ananya Pandey is being Ananya Pandey in the film.
Yes.
That's all. Like in her last film also. No complaints there actually.
Yeah, yeah, it's
That
just-
that scene, that character was inconsequential. There were so many characters that were supposed to be consequential
Yeah.
and was not doing anything in the film.
Yeah.
Neha Dupia's character, it seemed like they wrote a
Mossy.
very such a character. She's the spiritual guide or something, but there is nothing.
Yeah. And
Vicky
some
Kaushal's-
dialogues were written in a way where only Neha Dupia can play it. It's like it's written for Neha Dupia. I think you get
सुन
it. when
मेरी
you watch
बात.
it. तुझे यही करना चाहिए. तेरा choice है, choice.
And also Vicky Kaushal's mother,
Yeah, I
That
felt there is a
character,
very
that-
interesting
yeah.
track that they were trying to develop with the whole mobile thing.
But
Will not
it-
give spoilers, but I don't know why they left it haphazardly.
It just got
Yeah.
lost. It did never took any route or didn't reach any place which is consequential.
Yeah.
And so was the climax as well.
Yeah.
Shakespeare, I'd say. Suddenly everything
Full on.
came together. Everybody came together.
Yeah.
Everything came together.
Neha
So-
Sharma directly from her Instagram account. She's on screen now. Obvious, bro. Dharma movie है, चलता है.
Hey, वो spoiler है. It's not revealed anywhere.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Well, that is our quick review for the
Yes.
film. And of course, एक तो भूल ही गए. Music is really
Music is really
kick-ass.
good.
As we know, there is 3 chartbusters already that is out, and apart from that, also there are a couple of other songs which are really
Yeah,
good, which work
the
well.
slow songs also are really good.
Background music works
Works
well.
much
So music, if you like, please go enjoy.
Yeah.
Sit to the end. तौबा तौबा देख के भी निकलो.
हाँ,
मजा आएगा.
पूरा
बस.
ऑडिटोरियम बैठा था.
Right.
अच्छा लगा.
Well, that was our quick review for the film Bad News.
हाँ.
Are we doing an extended one?
No.
I think this is sufficient.
Yes, this is Maruti Acharya
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
and you're watching India Today So South. वो डायलॉग क्या था? अखिल चड्डा सबका?
Akhil Chandra सबसे बड़ा.
What does that? Mention that in the comments below.